We are back with another banger.
Okay guys, so let's get started. I'm not doing a bald cap method install. I have old braids underneath here, and my hair is actually really just molded and slicked back. So I'm just gonna pull my thing back to there. Always, no matter if you're using lace glue, if you're using, any kind of glue alternative, got to be spray, anything like that, always wipe your hairline with alcohol, okay? I prefer to use something between 91% and 99%. I have 91% right now, and I am gonna wipe my hairline. The glue alternative I'm using today, you can put on your hairline, so you don't have to be as careful like lace glue. So wipe my hairline with alcohol. Let me wipe it one more time, right? And I've been waiting to try this color. I've been trying to do some different colors other than just black, the basics. So you guys don't see today, look, you see her right here. She looking real cute. So now that that's all done and dry, what I'm gonna do next is get my Bold Hold liquid gold. This is what it is, okay? And it has a really strong hold. This is what I use to mold back my hairline. And I'm actually gonna put this right on top of my hairline, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm probably only gonna do like 2 layers just to give me some sort of firm hold, and just use a comb to mold it back. So let me get my mirror real quick so I can see. All right, so right on top, just a little bit in front of my hairline. All right, I'm gonna go in with a blow dryer and just blow dry it until it's pretty much or almost dry, and then I'll do another layer. All right, so first layer is on, and I'm gonna go in with the second layer. I'm only gonna let this dry to about 75%. So let me get it on. You can really feel, honestly, the first layer is super dry. So let me just, whoop. All right. So let me blow dry this a little bit just until it's tacky. Then I can put my wig on top of it, all right? All right, so now that that's 75% dry, it's tacky on my head right now. Let me take this wig. And so this wig is about 24 inches, and she was originally a 613, and I colored her with these really dark roots and a dark purple and then a very light purple on the very bottom. So that is what this wig was originally. Let me just cut off the back lace. I'm gonna tighten my adjustable straps on here and get this wig on behind my hairline. I'm not gonna put it on top of the glue yet, just in the back of my head. All right, so just right back there. Now I'm gonna pull the lace forward. Make sure I have it where I want to. Make sure you pull your hairline of the lace in front of wherever you started your glue or your got-to-be spray or anything like that, just so you can add more later to it. All right, pull it forward, press it down where I want it. And now I'm gonna kind of blow dry each side really good. All right, so now I'm going to just cut the lace from around my ears. That way I can really press down the edges. All right, so she is on from ear to ear. Now what I'm gonna do is, look at her. She's so cute. I've never done purple hair before, so we gonna see how this go. All right, so now I'm going to cut my lace off. Let me get this hair out of my way. Cut my lace off. I'm gonna use this razor. A lot of people ask me, like, can you use the razor instead of like scissors? You of course can, and vice versa. This one makes a more jagged edge, so it makes it look a little bit more natural. Unless you know how to use scissors and give it that jagged zigzag cut, then you could for sure use some really sharp. These ones I got from Sally's. They're supposed to be used for like nails. It's in the nail section, but they're really, really sharp and small, easy for me to get in there and cut really good. They are by Tweezerman, made in Italy, so I like them. So first I'm going to cut down the center and then go in with my razor and go all the way to my ear. All right, so I do have to kind of glue a little bit along my hairline just to get it to lay super, super flat, and a little bit around my ear. So let me do this other side. All right, so that side is cut off. Now I'm gonna go in with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. It's water soluble. You can definitely take this off with any kind of oil or water, so it's not meant to last super long, so keep that in mind. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Bold Hold Liquid Gold for these little parts right here that kind of lift up a little bit. Go in with my rat tail comb. Keep your blow dryer close by. Get all these little bitty pieces of lace that stick up a little. And this liquid gold is really easy because you can just wipe up any excess if you make any mistake or anything like that. All right, so now let me just wipe off my comb. And now I am going to press the lace down into the glue, and I'm gonna blow dry it as I go. Okay, so this middle part is down completely. It ain't coming up. Let me cut off this little piece. And now I'm gonna do the whole hairline exactly the same way. Just take a little bit of liquid gold, put it in those pieces that you missed and you need to go through. And that is it. Make sure you blow dry it down, and then we'll move on to the melting stage. Okay, so now that my wig is laid down, it's not 100% dry, but it is laid down. I am going to go in with my elastic band here over the edges, and I am going to let this stay on there for honestly like 20 minutes maybe, just to, I'll come back in 20 minutes and check it. All right, so let this like really push it into your skin, and I'll see how I'm probably gonna style my hair. It's just gonna be straight, y'all know me, middle part, and that is it. So I'll be right back. Let me let this melt down a little bit, and then I'll go on and do my baby hairs. Okay, so now that I've let that sit on my head for a while, went ahead obviously and did my middle part, and now I'm just gonna take this off, do my baby hairs, maybe put a little bit of ooh, shoot, this is stuck down. Okay, you guys, let me get my makeup brush, because all I did was a small little tint to this lace. It was initially it was initially blonde hair, so of course they use like a transparent lace. So now I'm gonna get my makeup brush, go along my edges with this brown makeup color. All right. All right, I got this little bitty piece of lace that's up right here. Take some liquid gold, put it right under that piece, and just blow dry it down real quick. All right, so that is it, you guys. I don't know if I want to just leave it like it is now. No baby hair. I normally always do baby hair. You know what I'm still gonna do baby hair. I'm gonna do it with the liquid gold as well. So let me just put a little bit down, get my edge brush, wherever that is. Hold on one second. Okay, so y'all know how I do it, piece by piece. Pull out the baby hair. All right, cut it. Go in with my edge brush. I think I'm going to do maybe just hairspray for my edges. I feel like the liquid gold might be a little bit too heavy for baby hair. Even though you can definitely swoop it down with, if you want that real hold for your baby hair, use the liquid gold. I'm just gonna use a little bit of hairspray. I'm using Sebastian Shaper Plus, just in case y'all wanna know. All right, so I'm gonna just do my baby hairs just like that, all the way down. All right, so that's it for my hair. Lay those edges, comb it down straight, and that's pretty much it. Woo! Maybe I will curl her later. This is a lot of hair to be curling. I don't know if I can do all of that, especially on my head. I'm so used to doing it off of my head. Oh man, my arms would be killing me. But this is it, you guys. Complete look, lay down, bold hole liquid gold is what I used. It's really on my head. I am definitely going to, once I do take it off, I'm gonna put down below how long it lasted for me. And a lot of people say it lasts a few days, just like Got to Be Glue. And some people say it lasted like a week. So we will see. For me, this is the first time I'm trying it on my head. I've tried it on a bunch of my clients, but this is it. I am going to take some pictures of her. She's really, really cute. Let me move this out the way. She's really, really cute. I'm loving it. Dark roots. Really staying safe with this one. I have never done a wig with complete color all over, so this is definitely different, but super, super cute. So thank you guys so much for watching this install video. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I will definitely post some more. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with anybody looking for a look like this. And don't forget to check out my website with all different wigs on there for you guys to purchase, qbwigcollections.com. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.